In the last episode, we had a chance to go to the fabrication department and talk to Chris and see Vanspeed products and how they're made. In this episode, we're going to the engineering department and we're going to talk to Jesse, one of the engineers that's responsible for the development, design, and ideas that come with Vanspeed products, the very same products that take you out on an adventure.
So Jesse, what is your role at Vanspeed?
So I'm a senior product development engineer, and essentially what that translates into is, developing requirements for new products and for new builds, working on CAD models, taking the company vision and creating products from that.
So Jesse, how long have you been engineering for?
So in total, it's a little over 18 years. The first 12 plus years of that, I was working in aerospace engineering, doing military and commercial aircraft and helicopters. Took a little deviation and started working in high-end professional coffee and espresso machine. The aspect of, precision fit, tactile feel, the everything matters aspect was just as true there as it is here. And then that's what brought me here. For me, it's a natural evolution of just always engineering, always finding solutions, always bringing that performance, quality, and fit. Because ultimately, it's a product that I would want to have, I would want to use.
Can you walk us through the engineering process and how that fits into the whole Vanspeed operation from A to Z?
So here at Vanspeed, we follow a standard process, and it's the product development process. In ideation is where we gather all the needs for either customers, market needs, feedback, and anything that we can improve on what exists in our product line or in the market overall. And then from there, once we have that whole definition concept, we go into the development phase, and that's our prototyping phase. So that's where we take the idea, we make it in CAD, we bring it to the CNC, we bring in a laser cut, we start building the first versions to test outside of vehicles for the next stage, which is the production launch. Once we're at production launch, we want to be done, we want to be good, we want to be able to sell it and not have to think about it except the customers being happy.
So what's your favorite part of your job?
To put it short and simple, is creating. I love to create, right? Whether it's creating the scope of the project, the requirements, or actually, like we were talking before, is the hands-on, the building myself in the prototype phase and helping with the team in any aspect. Seeing the thought, the idea that we talked about from the market needs, the customer needs, rolling that into a reality, right? That is, where we said an engineer finds solutions. And whether it's solutions to the problem that's in front of you or a problem you didn't know you had, or even if it doesn't exist and we just brought a better solution to the market. That process is what drives me from the engineering aspect. Creating is ultimately my joy. That is my happiness.
What are you doing on your free time?
If it's not spending time with my wife or with my dog, I'm either on my gravel bike, my road bike, or surfing. Whether it's here in Orange County in Newport Beach, or taking off on little adventures to my family's place up in like Ventura and Ojai, getting lost into the mountains for hours. It's a beautiful thing. It's perfectly mesh of my adventure lifestyle and my brand of what we do here.